Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Jeep Renegade Latitude. This one here, stickers for $31,465, cold weather group, and the dual panoramic sunroof. Yeah, it's not bad. Features the 2.4 liter inline 4 with the 9-speed automatic. As with many other Jeeps, there is a ton of little Easter eggs hidden throughout. For example, on each of the speakers, you'll have the Jeep logo. This says "no step" on it, like an old fighter plane. Try to find them all. It's kind of, sometimes you have to be like in the sun to see them. Nice little cargo area. Aha, there he is. Bigfoot walking on the trim. You have the Jeep grille and headlights. In here you have a spider. This is Ciao Baby, due to the Italian nature of this car. Oh, that's a pretty cool idea, honestly. You also have the no step here, I do believe. Yep. And then you also have a Jeep rock climbing right up there. Sometimes in some models there'll be a lizard or something molded into the plastic. It's all pretty cool and fun. And that's really the whole nature of the Renegade, is to have a little bit of fun. Where is the hood release? Ah, little hidden, but it's there. See, there's the Jeep logo again. There's the 2.4 multi-air. Nope. Alright, so I think it has like a dual latch mechanism. Gonna have to give it a slam. I don't like doing it, but yeah, it does. There we go. Black clear coat, that's the exterior color on this one. What's kind of cool is when it's locked, you'll get a lock emblem right there. Rewinding satellite radio. Here's your panoramic sunroof. Not bad. It really helps this thing feel open, which is kind of tough to do with a small car like this, but Jeep managed it. That's the thing with this car. Obviously, it's a very small car, SUV, but they do a good job making it feel bigger than it really is. This is all nice soft touch material. That's hard plastic. This is all softer touch plastics. It's really cool. And visibility is something extremely good in this. Because of the boxy design, you can see out of it. Oh, I forgot another Easter egg. This on the start stop says "to new adventures." So when you start it up, it says "to new adventures." You know, it's kind of like Jeep is having fun with this car. They're going for a younger demographic, people like that love Easter eggs and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool to go around and try to find them all. I probably missed one or two, but I got a good majority, I do think. Now, each and every Jeep has an animal on it. You just have to find them. One thing about the 2.4 is it sounds absolutely amazing. So go ahead and take a listen. It's a really, really cool sound. I think the Fiat Abarth used this engine, or a very close derivative of it, just without a muffler. So you can kind of hear the Abarth sound in it. You're sat very, very upright. I can definitely feel a little bit of the Wrangler and Gladiator in this seating position, and I'm glad that they're kind of using that. Of course, Starbucks is packed. It's a riot to drive, honestly. I'm not a fan of big SUVs like this. But man, is it fun. This thing's tiny, but it doesn't feel tiny like the Trax does. It has a bigger feel to it. It doesn't drive like a tiny little car. It feels great. I love it. Brake pedal's not too touchy too. That's something a lot of tiny SUVs, they have very, very touchy controls. This one does not. It's very, very easy to drive. What's nice, the 9-speed doesn't really hunt around for gears like the Ford 10-speed does in the Mustang, which kind of ruins the experience. This one does really, really well. Another Easter egg, the vent for the like all the cruise control and the rain sensing wipers, all that stuff. There's a Jeep logo. Well, not logo, but the distinctive headlight and grille combo. And it's like, I feel like you constantly notice the little things as you own this or lease it or whatever. You just constantly be like, hey, that's kind of cool. And that's what's really, really fun about these, is it's the ownership experience is just unlike anything else out there. Not bad at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.